Hello. Alright, so today I'm going to be working in my social media planner. I'm going to use these two clips. This one is by Threadhead Designs, and this one is by the Glitter and Glam Squad. I thought they were very appropriate since I do my plan with me's and my Instagram post from this planner. I have the Crafts by Doraelia. I'm not sure, it's a floral kit for the mini planner. I've got a lot of kits from her shop, so I'm going to use that. And then I have her Plan With Me stickers. I thought they were super cute and they match my clip. Very pretty. And then from the Cynical Planner, I have the Rose Gold Film Edit and Upload stickers. From Missyland's Designs, I have the Instagram. From Three Tiny Bows, I have just a few of these Let's Planet stickers left. And I do PR for her. The code is TTBVANNESSA to save 20%. And from Brianna Nicole Designz, I have the YouTube stickers, and she does have 50% off right now through like Monday the 28th. So make sure you check it out. So we'll go ahead and get started with the kit stickers. I like these. It looks like it's got washies for the top and bottom. And these are probably for the Mini Happy Planner. I do use the Mini Recollections Planner. So they are going to be just slightly longer, which is alright. We'll just trim them up to fit. I won a lot of shop credit, and I spent most of it all on mini kits because I didn't have a lot of kits for my mini planner. So we'll see how those go. That. It looks like this pretty sticker was made to go down here. So I'm getting excited. Next Saturday, June 2nd, is the Creative Cleveland meetup. I'm getting everything ready. I'm pretty excited. So I have 8 of these. So we'll put these on because I'm not sure. Looks like they fit in there just like that. Now, like I said, these are made for the Mini Happy Planner. So they may not exactly all fit just right. They overlap some, but you know, that is okay. Put them in here the best way that we can. So it looks like there's, I think this is like bottom washi. It may not be, but it's what I'm going to use it for. And you have these little daily washies. These in. I know it is finally summertime. It's crazy hot right now, but that is way better than being cold like it was all winter. I think that is very pretty. I like that. some full boxes here. Move back where I'm still on the screen. So I'm pretty excited for the meetup. I'm all ready for it. And then I have another meetup in June and August. So much stuff going on. I'm actually going to wait to put that weekend sticker down for a minute. So I do like this across the bottom. Oops. I have so much trouble sometimes trying to line this stuff up, these little skinny ones. So I've got the meetup on Saturday. I'll do that. Did you go to a lot of meetups? Do you like the meetups? To me, they're one of my favorite, absolute favorite parts about the planning community. I like going out and talking to the other ladies and seeing what everybody's working on and how they do it, because everybody plans differently. Some people use one planner, some people use 10 planners. And I'm going to use this little box right here, just right here in this square. And I'll put these two little trackers down here, and I'll put my IGs on there. Put the weekend sticker in. Put that in. I like these boxes. Put them in for the different things I got to do. I think it's kind of neat the way these, I like these boxes. It's a different take. Something new to try out. I like trying out new kits because I might find something I like better or different than what I usually use. I think this is a very pretty kit. I do like this black stripe. I think I'm going to run it right along the bottom of this washi. I'll flip this over and add the other one. All right. since I have it, I will put the payday in here. It's not something I usually mark in here, but since I have it, Wednesday is usually my rest and get everything going. I think I have a Happy Mail video to post this week, so I'll put that right there. That one will be the one I post. And I think I am done with these, so I'll set those aside. Got my little icon trackers down here. I'll put my little YouTube right here. Track that one. And then it's got some yellow, so I'll use the yellow one. And it's going to be a little bit above my circle, but that's alright. So I'll put my tracker there. And I like this pretty planner for Sunday. And I'm going to use the Traveler's Notebook for Saturday because I do have the CCP meetup. And I actually, let me grab them. I have this little sheet of stickers here that I'm going to put on here. Because that is the Creative Planner Meetup. So I will use those. And I'm going to put social, even though it is a meetup, but it is still a social event. So there are those. And I got these at one of the meetups, but I forget the name of who made them, but I love them. So I will use those on both my layouts actually this week. So there's that. I like these nice, cool drinks. Like I said, it's been very warm here. And we'll use the Okay, Let's Plan It for Sunday. I drink a lot of coffee. Got a couple little reminders I need to do for Tuesday. Put the lovely pins here. Alright. So Mondays, I post plan with me's. Monday and Tuesday. Sunday is my film day. So Monday I will upload and edit. There's that. And I always do so I'm going to put IG and FB, and I'll just mark them off that, you know, I did do my post, and this will be the mini, and this is the classic. That's how I do it. Then I've got my meetup Monday. I'll put my followers in there. I just like that box to fill it in. And you know, I think this layout is done for the week. So make sure you follow along on my Instagram. That's Vanessa76, and I'll be posting lots of pictures of the meetup and everything. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.